Hey, this is Marianne with Superpowers for Solopreneurs with today's quick and dirty tip on how to promote your coaching business through public speaking. One of the great things about speaking to promote your business as a marketing tool is it positions you as an expert. And here's the simple truth. If you don't know enough about your subject matter, you won't be giving a talk. So the sheer fact that you're able to give a talk and know enough about whatever your subject matter is positions you as an expert. No one's going to fly blind. No one's going to go out there and give a presentation, whether it's to a small group, medium, or a large one, without really knowing their stuff. And so automatically when people see you out there giving talks, again, no matter what size group you're speaking to, it does position you as an expert. It positions you as a thought leader and helps build you as an authority figure in whatever area of expertise you're practicing in. So that's my quick tip for today. If you're looking for ways to position yourself as a thought leader or set yourself apart in some kind of way or let people know, yeah, I really have this expertise, get out there and start doing talks, because that's a great way to do that. Because I can tell you right now, no one's out there giving good talks who doesn't know what they're talking about. So it starts with that. Anyway, go out there, do some speaking, have some fun with it, and grow your business. See you next time.